Here we are on the NYSE. We have a bull super gap in the retail area. Target, Kohl's, you got that CMG. How much overbought it's going to go, who knows. But you can see that some of these names, you got Caterpillar, Cummins in here. You have Deere in here, Cleveland Cliffs, Goldman. The list is long. And we're going to have a jobs report tomorrow morning, the monthly report. The ADP report has come out better, so we've got some good catalyst in the short term. When stocks go up, though, they're going to hit that wall of resistance, then they're going to fade back. That is when we would want to execute on that high side gap once that bear who went into the ADP report, which is your agency that reports all your small businesses and whatnot, was better than expected. So we got all the reason for the bull gap. We will have higher volume on the opening bell compared to the other 3 trading days this week. So why would that be? Is it takes some good numbers. So now the bull is going to start scratching his head and say, oh, well, guess what? Maybe it's not as bad as anticipated. These numbers are seasonality, okay? What we're going to be watching for is how they sell on the opening bell. Then when they pull back, they're going to set up an intraday base, and then they're going to break higher. The amount of buyers we ran extremely high very quickly. This is why we continue to say that bear was going to have a lot of trouble when we were putting in bottoms, and they've taken those bears all the way out of the game, and the bulls are definitely in control. Summer rally mode, very long deep gap opening up. That's what we want to see. What we will do once again is on that opening bell, the higher they gap, then that short seller has to buy to cover. They also act out in a panic of fear. Oh boy, I can't believe it. So if they're caught short, as they have been for about 7 days in a row when we call the bottom of the markets, this is what fuels markets higher. Learn how to trade the other side of the bear when the bull reversal has come back in. Gap open down. Well, we got lumber liquidators, and we already know that construction has been weak. J.C. Penney's didn't do that well on as part of the retailers so far. So the gap down list is very diminished, and we can see that some of them are not earnings. Yum Brands was downgraded. So we have a bull gap in play on the NYSE. Now we're going to watch what that bull sentiment is. When they run up, they come back, they pull back. We look to get entries on the long side. Bull gap, NYSE.